Dictionaries in Python are just like lists. So, what's the difference between a list and a dictionary? And how to create and use the dictionaries? I will answer all of these questions in this video. So, watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So, without any further delay, let's have fun with code. Creating a dictionary is same as creating a list. So, in a list, we use square brackets, but here we are going to use flower brackets. So let's create a dictionary called organisms, which and we are going to use, as I said you, we are going to use flower brackets. And in a list, we directly give the elements like 1, comma 2 or any string elements separated by commas. Now here in a dictionary, we need a like this is going to have the element, and so let's say this as single cell. So now here we are going to give the element, so let's say fungi. And now if we want to access elements of an dictionary, we need to use this, like let's say print organisms, and we are going to use single cell. Now let's run this program. You'll get an idea how a dictionary works, and now it prints fungi. So single cell is like a variable which contains this fungi. Now here you can even give a list. So let's say fungi and algae, and so that's it. And if you want to access either fungi or algae, this is a list, and we know how to access items in a list. So this is element 0 and this is 1. So if I want to access algae, I'll type 1. So now it says, oh, so actually this should be outside this. Now we get the output as algae. We now if we want to create more variables inside a dictionary, you can separate them using comma. Now let's create something called multicell or cellular. Let's type in some examples of multicellular organisms. Human, let's make this as a list. Cats, and if you want to type more you can. And now here, instead of single cell, we are going to use multicellular, and the index in a list we are going to get the index 1, which is cats. Now when you run the program, you get the output as cats. So basically, dictionaries are a kind of list where you'll access the elements by the string, or you can even make this as an integer. Now this will be helpful when you are making big programs, like you can't remember what in what index that element is. For example, you create a very big list which contains many numbers, and if you want to access each of these, you may not remember, like this is the index 3, so you can't remember that that is in that position. You need to scroll up and see every time. So instead of lists, here you can use dictionaries where you can name, where you can give string, and you can access them through strings. Like if you want like single digit number, double digit number, and you can pass in how a number of, you can create lists in the dictionary. So if you are going for a big project, dictionaries are very helpful. And this is the difference between dictionary and a list. And if you learned how to create a dictionary, please hit that subscribe button and like this video.